So for this step, what you're going to do is you're going to want to stack a whole bunch of items on top of each other. They can be textbooks, but they can really be anything, a pencil case, whatever you have around. And you're going to measure the height of your stack. Then you're going to use something flat and hard. It could be a textbook or a piece of cardboard, and you're going to measure the length of the ramp. You want to measure all the way to where it would meet the table, so extend your ruler past the book. Step 2, you're going to put the rubber band around the book. If it's a hardcover, you can put it right at the front of the book. If not, you can put it in the middle of the book so that when you lift the rubber band, the book lifts as well. Make sure you pick a book that isn't too heavy and that the rubber band can hold it. Then you're going to attach your spring scale. Make sure it's set to 0 newtons before you put any weight on it, and then hook it on the rubber band and lift the book. Take a look at your spring scale and see how many newtons it takes to lift the book when you lift it straight up in the air. Step 3, hook the spring scale to the rubber band and pull it gently up the ramp. Take a look at your spring scale to see how many newtons it takes to pull the book up the ramp. For this step, you're going to change how steep your ramp is. You can do this by taking away books, which I did, or adding more. Then you're going to repeat all the same steps again. You're going to record the height of your stack. Then you're going to record the length of your ramp all the way down to the desk. You might need 2 rulers if it's too short. Then you're going to take your spring scale and you're going to hook it onto your book again, and you're going to gently slide it up the ramp in the same way. Take note of how many newtons it takes to pull up the book on this angle. Make sure you record all of your measurements in your chart. You're going to need this to analyze your information. Notice that the force needed to lift up the ramp was different between test 1 and test 2. Think about what you learned about forces and why this might be the case. Answer the questions on the next slide.